is the light bulb right off of that Ellington, and then I put it on here. It's an LED, thankfully, so let me just... I'm gonna get the better angle. And this thing has gone into a humming reputation. But thankfully it still runs good. Still runs the exact same as it did several months ago. Now the garage is humming. So technically that makes this fan hum a lot louder. This is my thumb, because I'm double jointed. And this thing's high speed. It's about as fast as the Four Seasons I'm getting, sort of. And this used to be slower on high speed for some reason. Well, at least when I first got the fan, it was like that. But yeah, this is about as fast as my Four Seasons on high speed. This is like one of the fastest 4-blade fans I actually own. I think, no, it's actually the fastest 4-blade I own. And of course, and I can't show this as the original globe because the original globe broke, and because of that, my mom tossed out the globe, so I just have to run it without. I don't want to run it with this one because it just feels wrong to use a globe that isn't original to the fan. I can show y'all real fast. So let me just start to do this because I'm holding my phone on one hand. I'll just do this real fast. You can really hear those blades. Let's see, I'm just gonna, because this is what it's looking like for me. Yeah.